this here is Clara Lake. Good. They have really dropped it. We are in Shiloh, Virginia, and this is the new river.
They have dropped it. Way down.
They've dropped it. Wow, look at that. Well, they said they were going to drop it, but I didn't know they was going to drop it that much, that quick. Wow.
Folks sitting on the wall on the ground over there.
Yep, y'all can't see it, but we can. But there's boats sitting on the ground over here. And this is the new river. This is called Lighthouse Bridge. And this river flows away from the ocean. And as you can see here, they've dropped it. Zoom in here. You can see the shoreline where they've dropped it. They've dropped it a lot quickly too. They're saying we're going to get between 5 and 11 inches of rain. And this right here, I've seen it all the way up to the bottom of the bridge.
I've seen it where you couldn't get on the bridge.
So, I'm excited to see how much this is going to get up this time. I hate it for people, but this is, with digital cameras and being able to record it, it's interesting. Stay tuned. Hope y'all can see it. There he went. There's a little branch that comes off this mountain right here. On this side over here, and it will be flooded all along here. And it's just a small little branch. Here's some of the boat docks. This is Rock House Marina. Wow, they've really dropped it. People's pulled their boats out too. I don't know if you can see the shoreline over here. Your usual water line, you can see it over here. Water lines here. This is a part of Clara Lake. You can see here where they've dropped the water. Wow. People down there getting lures. Don't you dare jump off there, Alice. They've emptied that laning out up there. So they've dropped the water about 5 feet. And of course, Alice has got to get in the water. You might as well go ahead and let her do it and get it out of her system. So it's about 5 feet. And as you see where I'm standing used to be underwater, so we're right here at the boat docks. Ah, you'll be on YouTube. They're going fishing. So we live on top of a mountain. This is what we have to be aware of. Is this bridge? This is Peak Creek. And if this floods, which I've seen it flood before, we won't be able to get off the mountain at all. All of these low-lying houses, there's a lot up there. Those are the ones we have to worry about. Well, as you can see, the creek has finally crested. It's not as high as we thought. We got 4 inches of rain, but it was a light rain over a period of 2-3 days. But as you can see, it is running very swift. It doesn't look fast, but it is. And you never trust rushing water like this. As you can see, the diving board over there. The water is up to the top of that wall in front of it. The creek is up about 2 feet. The usual water line is right along here. You can see the grooves where we run our four-wheelers like that. It could have been worse. I have seen the creek flooded all the way up to the bottom floor of the cabin. You're talking probably about 6, 7 feet there. So we got lucky this time. But when we have the spring thaw, is also a dangerous time. So we will be vlogging that. Oh, look. You see that? Look, there's a snake in the water. See it?